Everything you see, the chair you're sitting on, the phone in your hand, the stars above us, has a beginning. And in physics, everything that has a beginning must have an end. We like to think of the universe as eternal, but the truth is much more chilling. Space is not just a place, it is a clock, and that clock is ticking down to zero. Today, we're looking at the ultimate game over screen. From galaxies being ripped apart to the very fabric of reality freezing solid, these are the 5 ways the universe could end. Welcome to Chapter 10. Let's dive into the greatest mystery of all time. For a long time, scientists thought the universe worked like a rubber band. Right now, we know the universe is expanding. Galaxies are flying away from each other because of the Big Bang. But what if that expansion eventually loses its energy? This is the big crunch. Imagine throwing a ball into the air. Eventually, gravity wins and pulls the ball back down. In this scenario, gravity stops the expansion of space. All the galaxies, stars, and planets begin to fall inward. At first, it would look beautiful. Galaxies would get closer, making the night sky brighter than the day. But then, the heat would build up. The universe would become a giant oven. Stars would explode, planets would melt, and eventually, everything would be crushed back into a single, tiny, infinitely hot point. Some call this the Big Bounce, the idea that after the crunch, another Big Bang happens and the cycle starts all over again. If the Big Crunch is about the universe shrinking, the Big Rip is the exact opposite, and it is much more terrifying. There is a mysterious force in space called dark energy. It acts like anti-gravity, pushing everything apart. Currently, it's making the universe expand faster every second. If dark energy gets too strong, it will eventually overcome gravity itself. First, entire clusters of galaxies will be pulled away from each other. Then, our own Milky Way galaxy will be torn apart. But it doesn't stop there. Eventually, the force becomes so strong that it rips planets away from their suns. Then, it rips the stars themselves apart. In the final seconds, the very atoms that make up your body and the fabric of space-time itself are shredded into nothingness. The universe doesn't end with a bang, it ends by being torn to pieces. This is the theory most scientists believe is the most likely. It's called heat death or the Big Freeze. Think of the universe like a cup of hot coffee sitting in a cold room. Over time, the coffee loses its heat to the room until everything is the same temperature. As the universe expands, matter gets spread thinner and thinner. Stars run out of fuel and go dark. Black holes eventually evaporate. In about 100 trillion years, the last star will flicker out. The universe will become a vast, dark, frozen graveyard. No light, no heat, no life. Just a silent, empty void where time itself ceases to have any meaning because nothing ever happens again. It is the ultimate state of maximum entropy. This next one is the stuff of cosmic nightmares because it could happen at any moment. It's called, or the Big Slurp. Imagine the universe as a ball sitting on a hill. It feels stable. But what if it's actually sitting on a tiny ledge and there is a much deeper valley below? Scientists believe there is something called the Higgs field that gives everything mass. If this field suddenly slips into a lower energy state, it would create a bubble of true vacuum. This bubble would expand at the speed of light. Anything it touches is instantly deleted from existence. If a bubble started in the center of our galaxy right now, we wouldn't see it coming. 1 second we are here, and the next, the laws of physics are rewritten, and we cease to exist. No pain, no warning, just gone. Our final theory focuses on the monsters of the dark, black holes. In the very distant future, after all the stars have died, the only things left will be black holes. They will act like the universe's ultimate vacuum cleaners, swallowing up all the leftover gas, dust, and dead planets. For trillions of years, the universe will be a place of pure shadows. Eventually, even these giants will leak energy through something called Hawking radiation. One by one, the black holes will evaporate in tiny flashes of light. When the last black hole vanishes, the universe will be left with nothing but a few lonely subatomic particles, drifting forever in total darkness. These theories can feel scary. Looking at the end of time makes us feel small. But there is a different way to look at it. If the universe is going to end, it makes the fact that we are here, right now, even more incredible. We are the universe's way of witnessing itself. We are the light in the middle of the dark. The end is billions, trillions, or even quadrillions of years away. We have plenty of time to explore, to learn, and to wonder. Which of these endings scares you the most? Or do you think there's a sixth way the universe might end? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Chapter in 10. We bring you the biggest topics in the smallest amount of time. If you want to dive deeper into the mysteries of space, be sure to check out our playlist, Universe Files, appearing on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious.